No. Maybe un sauna.
Hello Jutta family. As you can see, a lot of people are surely asking for the puppies. And now Yannis and his lawyer make a bigger area that the puppies can be outside and have a lot of shadow because they are very thick. Oh, just look how small they are. Because they have a parvovirus. Parvo, and it's very, very dangerous that the other dogs can have it.
Here of Crete, it's parvovirus.
Yeah. Oh, look. Yes.
Here, okay.
It's okay. For the first time, we'll make another solution, maybe. So they have water, they have shadow, and they can walk around. It's better than in the bathroom. Hopefully. Look how cute and how small they are. Jan is doing always the best for everyone here. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye. So now the puppies have something to eat. They was very hungry. Here's fresh water. And they are very, very, very sweet. Yannis told us they're about maybe 4 or 5 weeks old, not older. That's so sad because they should be by their mother. But Jutta Shelter is trying everything that they have, everything they need. Next week they got the second vaccination from the vet. And hopefully everything is good. Look how cute they are. They are so small. 7 puppies from the trash here from Crete. That's so sad. Hello. This is good quality puppy food, Yannis told me. So the puppies moved outside from the bathroom. See you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.